Convai now supports MCP for your Unity projects, allowing you to create AI character-led experiences simply by prompting inside Unity or through your preferred coding agent. It can help you connect a Convai AI mind to an avatar in your scene, integrate vision input, add objects to the environment, and more. The MCP supports leading coding agents like Codex, Claude Code, Cursor, and others. In this video, we'll see it in action with Codex. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So we'll start with a new Unity 6 project. We'll give it a name, something like Convai MCP Setup, and create the project. Once our project is loaded, we'll integrate Convai into our scene. If you're unsure about how to do this, do check out the Convai setup tutorial, which can be found in the description. We've set up the scene with our API key and imported the sample character. Now let's set up the Convai Unity MCP. Click on Convai and then select AI Coding Setup. You might see that the Unity AI Assistant gives a Needs Attention status, so let's fix that. Once prompted, click Open Setup. The skills for our MCP can be viewed here. Go to Assistant, click New, ensure that you have accepted the usage terms in the Gateway tab, then go to Unity MCP Server and click Accept. Once you accept them, you should see the status of the Unity bridge. Here you can also view the Convai skills within the package. There are currently 20 skills available. You can also choose to enable the Unity core skills. Finally, at the bottom, you can find Unity MCP integrations, which will show you some of the available coding agents. For this tutorial, let's configure Codex. Feel free to enable other coding agents. Once the coding agent setup is complete, you should see different skill files for the coding agents. I will install the agents.md file for Codex now. Finally, in Codex, type /mcp. It should show you the status, and you will also be prompted to allow the new MCP connection within Unity. Now we have imported some starter assets into our project, and we'll test our Convai setup in first person here. So let's head over to Codex and paste in our instructions, which will basically create a hands-free conversation demo in our new scene with our sample scene avatar, using the Convai character details we have provided here, and also add a chat UI to our scene. Feel free to use the AI model of your choice. So this took about 5 minutes. Let's head back to Unity to see the results. As you can see, the character has been imported. Let's give it a quick test. Hey, could you tell me a bit about yourself?
Well, hello there. I'm Aria, your guide, curious companion, and occasional admirer of beautiful views. I'm here to help you explore, understand, and maybe notice a few things you might otherwise miss.
Yeah, can you tell me what are some things you like, Aria?
Oh, I like that question. I love discovering interesting stories, ideas, and little details that make every interaction feel unique. Kind of like our conversation.
So that was our hands-free demo. Let's ask Codex to make it push to talk and test out the results. This took Codex a couple of minutes.
We'll hold T for push to talk and check the results.
Hey Aria, it is great to see you again.
Hello. It's great to see you again too. I've been looking forward to continuing our conversation, but I just realized I never caught your name.
That worked quite well. Now let's add some objects and enable vision within our scene. I'll add a few different objects and test out the results. We can see some props have been added here. Another thing I'd like to mention is that you can use the AI window directly inside Unity if you prefer that over Codex. Just go to Window, AI, and then Assistant, and feel free to instruct the coding agent directly inside Unity. Let's ask it to enable vision support for the Unity camera. So now, let's try quizzing our character about the props in the scene.
Hey, can you describe the scene to me, please?
Under a beautiful, soft blue sky, I see a large purple sphere resting on a pale yellow cube to our left. Moving right, there is a blue sphere atop an orange cube, followed by a pale mint green sphere on a coral red cube. Each sphere has bright, animated bands of light flowing continuously across its surface.
So this was all about the Convai MCP setup for Unity. Thanks for watching. For integration issues, drop your queries at forum.convai.com. To start building your own intelligent, fully interactive AI avatars, visit convai.com and check out our extensive documentation and wide range of tutorials. And if you find these videos helpful, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see y'all again very soon.